How to tap birch water and sip the finest the forest has to offer. First, we need to make a grappling hook. So I'm gonna try to make a little grappling hook with my stick, and I cut off a little branch with a nice hook. I'm gonna attach it to my stick. Okay, so now it should be quite sturdy. I made a big knot here and I attached it with my hair ties. So it should be sturdy enough to use as a grappling hook for my next thing. After that, choose a healthy branch. Take some cordage and tie the branch so it can't come up again. This allows the sap to collect at the tips. Now cut off the end as clean as possible.
Do you see what I'm trying to achieve? This is a birch tree and it's early March and I'm trying to gather some birch water. And now we just wait, and I hope this will not lower and my thing. Maybe I'll just attach it, just for certainty.
While I wait for my cup to fill, I'm gonna test the strength of my grappling hook. Well, let's see how sturdy my hook actually is. So, here goes nothing. Let's see if I can hang on it. Ooh. What the fuck? It's quite strong. Ah. Oh. Fuck.
It's not much, but
so let's see how it tastes. It tastes very fresh, very cold, and a bit of sweetness in there, like all the minerals and all the sugars from the tree going up, and tastes quite earthy as well. But I think this is the cleanest water you can get actually. So, skål!